These are the unbelievable aviation moments ever caught on camera.
Dismissed.
Did you see that? Imagine staring down nature's fury as a 747 digs in its heels while violent gusts try to rip it off the runway. It's like watching a giant refuse to be moved. Hold on tight. This wild clip shows an Aerosucher Boeing 727 taking off from Porteno in crazy low-altitude conditions. It barely clears the end of the runway, like it's scraping the sky with pure engine muscle. There's something undeniably cool about watching an airplane land. Massive metal, moving at hundreds of miles per hour, gliding down with precision like it's floating. The way pilots thread that needle, hitting the runway just right, it's part science, part art, and all swagger. Imagine flying shoulder to wing with geese. This French microlight pilot has turned that dream into reality. For years, he's guided migrating birds across Europe, and now he lets tourists join the flock. It's not just a flight, it's a front row seat to nature's sky ballet. Now that's how you make an entrance. Astronaut Doug Hurley drove the pace car straight out of a Chinook helicopter before the 2009 Dickies 500 in Texas. From space missions to racetracks, the man knows how to land in style. Let's talk raw power. Watch as this Boeing 7 fires up its engines during a test run, and the blast is so intense it actually knocks over a massive semi-truck like it's a toy. That's jet force in full effect. As fierce winds slammed LAX, a towering 747 fought to land, tipping hard to the right. Then came the gasp-worthy moment. Its outboard engine scraped the runway in a dangerous pod strike. That's flying on the edge. With nerves of steel, the pilots pulled off a flawless go-around and safely landed in Ontario. Talk about calm under pressure. And then, in true Florida fashion, A surprise reptile guest wandered onto an Air Force Base tarmac. Cue the quick-thinking crew and a classic Sunshine State moment. Gator wrangling on the runway. Did that giant just go vertical? At the 2017 Paris Air Show, the Airbus A380 pulled off a jaw-dropping steep takeoff that looked more like a rocket launch than a passenger jet. Watching a double-decker beast climb like that? Absolutely insane. Now that's precision in motion. Military jets flying in flawless formation during training exercises. And from the perspective of a Boeing Stratotanker, you get a front-row look at how intense and exact mid-air refueling really is. Flying at very low speeds is one of the toughest tests in aviation, something only top-tier pilots can truly master. Even seasoned pros can find themselves fighting to stay steady when sudden wind changes turn smooth skies into a high-stakes balancing act. This helicopter is built for the tough stuff. This time, it's swooping in to deliver emergency water. It's a perfect mix of precision, strength, and life-saving mission, all packed into one incredible aircraft.
In this case, it's being used for emergency water delivery with a water dumping device.
Taking off from a dirt runway in rough weather looks exactly like this. Mud flying, visibility low, and nerves tested. It's not just a runway, it's a full-on adrenaline-fueled trial for even the most skilled pilots. Back in February 2020, a Hungarian airline was forced into a rough emergency landing at Birmingham Airport as Storm Ciara tore through. The winds were so fierce, they tossed the huge jet around like it weighed nothing. If you're blown away by these insane aviation moments, from near vertical takeoffs to emergency landings in stormy chaos, don't just sit there. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your fellow flight fanatics. You haven't seen the last jaw dropper yet, so buckle up because more sky-high action is coming soon.